Hello teacher, this is my video about introduce myself. My name is Diana Torres. I am 26 years old. I like in my free time swim in pool. Also, I like cook in house. I live in Puerto Boyacá City. The Magdalena River is big, we beautiful. In last vacation, I went in Casanare, a wonderful region. In this moment, I am a student business administration in UNAD. In my next vacation, I plan to go San Andres Island because it's like me. Well, my favorite hobbies go to cinema and go shopping. This is my lemon dessert recipe. Ingredients: milk, condensed milk, milk cream, lemon juice, lemon, cookies, and flavored gelatin. To start with a pot and add the milk over low heat and flavored gelatin and beat for 5 minutes. Then let it rest. Almond cool in the blender. Add the milk with and flavored gelatin and put it other ingredients. Cream condensed, milk, lemon juice, and blender for 2 minutes. Design in container with the put do cookies as the base and add the mixture to the container today the refrigerator for 2 hours. For 2 hours. Finally, when it is refrigerated, create a lemon to decorate and serve to enjoy a delicious lemon dessert. Thank you.